Installing a boot media. Slide the boot media into the socket. Press and hold the blue tab open at the other end of the boot media. Push the boot media down until it stops, and then release the tab to lock the boot media in place. Close the controller cover and fasten the thumb screw. Press the locking tabs and push the controller handles down to a horizontal position. Align the rear of the controller with the opening in the chassis, and then use the handles to gently push the controller halfway into the chassis. Transfer the boot image to the boot media. Refer to the maintenance guide for the procedure. Firmly push the handles until the controller meets the midplane and is fully seated in the chassis. Pull the controller handles up and lock them in place with the tabs. Set the time and date on the controller. Refer to the maintenance guide for the procedure. Give back the impaired controller. Refer to the maintenance guide for the procedure.